How to get free credits on Google Ads. Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to get free credits on Google Ads. There are a few ways to get free credits on Google Ads. One, directly from Google. As you can see here, to help you get started with Google Ads, we'll give you 500 in ad credits when you spend at least $500. So if you start with Google Ads, Google will give you $500 in ad credits after you spend $500 to help you get started. Step 2. Business services. Some business services like Bluehost give away ads promo codes or coupons for free ad credits. As you can see here, credit details. They give away $100 credits that can be redeemed by logging into an active Google Ads account and spending at least $25 on your Google Ads campaigns. Another one is Wix, as you can see here, and they will give you free vouchers for $75 towards Google AdWords. A third one, that is HostGator. As you can see here, share web hosting clients now get a $500 Google Ads credit after spending $500 on Google Ads. So also through HostGator, you can get a $500 free credit after you spend $500 on Google Ads. Another thing you can do is just go to Google and type in Google Ads voucher coupons. Sometimes you're lucky and you can get free coupons. And the last way to get free credits is through PPC tools. If you're an e-commerce merchant and you want to use a PPC tool like, as you can see here, Blue Winston, you can get free credit for advertising through Google Ads. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.